Good day everyone, I'm Lance. For today's video, let's talk about the power of multimedia. Multimedia is the integration of various content forms like text, images, video, animation, and sounds into one interactive platform. It combines art and technology to communicate the ideas and stories more effectively. Multimedia has five components. First, the visual graphic design. Second, the video clip. Third, animation. Fourth, sound effect. And lastly, narration. Let's explore how each works. Visual graphic design communicate messages through art and layout. I use graphic design for my cover page and transition like isipin mo ito to maintain the viewer interest. Video clips are powerful in portraying real emotion and events. These clips show how the martyrdom of Gombursa awakened Filipinos and sparked the revolution. Animation helps visualizing that are too dangerous or impossible to film. I animated the execution of Gombursa to respect the story while maintaining the viewer impact. Sound effect create atmosphere. I made my own wind effect using a bottle to enhance the scene emotion. Narration ties everything together. I serve as the storyteller to guide the audience emotionally and give context to the visual.
Sina Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, Jacinto Zamora, o mas kilala bilang Gombursa.
When we bring together visual graphics, videos, animations, sound effects, and narration on a single timeline, we don't just create content, we create an immersive story. This is the true essence of multimedia storytelling. Once again, I'm Lance. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.